Hello everyone. Today we have a Toyota Sienna 2015 XLE. Take a look at that ridiculously clean engine for a 2015. That's crazy. Let me go ahead and drop the hood and I'll take you for a tour. It does have a sunroof, aluminum alloy wheels. It has a luggage rack. And this rear seat seats 3, the middle has the insert, so it seats 3 and then another 2 up front. I have additional power supplies back here. I'll go ahead and tell that to close. Those passenger windows do roll down and sliding doors. It's finished out with gray leather. There's also a screen that you can pull up there on those back windows, back 4 windows. Okay, get a shot of the VIN. Okay, there we go. All right, it's your blind spot monitor. So hop in, you see that you have 60,741 miles on the vehicle. It does have door sensors that let you know what doors are open. That's important if you're hauling kids around. Right here you have your push to talk and additional controls, the stereo right there. You have your cruise control, and once again more controls from the steering wheel. You do have a shifter right here with the standard. You do have a shifter right here. Here's your shifter, your push button start. You see you have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. It's sunny outside. Go ahead and go to apps. And you have eco, weather, traffic. Okay, let's see the backup camera. There we go. Okay, you also have a CD port there. Come down here, you have your comfort controls. And you look over here, you got your glove compartment, additional power supplies, you have your heated driver and passenger seat. You have your cup holders and your absolutely massive stowage. You can also control your doors from in here. And then of course you have your sunroof, which we'll go ahead and leave closed for the sake of this tutorial because it's hot outside. Okay, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. As you look right here, it had damage on both the front and the back of the van. As you can see, it was just cosmetic damage. So we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the State of Utah Safety Inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.